From the blue depths of the Mediterranean, a bridge to nature and science. The Mediterranean Fisheries Research, Production and Training Institute, operating under the General Directorate of Agricultural Research and Policies of the Ministry of Agriculture and Forestry, has played a pioneering role in the field of fisheries since 2004. With its skilled staff and strong infrastructure, the Institute continues its work at the Demre and Antalya campuses. The Institute conducts comprehensive studies on water quality, aquatic biodiversity, fish stock management, invasive species, endemic and endangered species, alternative aquaculture practices and models, and environmental and socio-economic indicators to promote the sustainable use of our marine and inland water resources. Numerous national and international projects are carried out to monitor fish biodiversity and economically important stocks in marine and inland waters, to collect and evaluate biological data from both commercial and independent fisheries, to assess the impacts of climate change and non-native invasive species on ecosystems and fisheries, and to conduct value chain analyses and socio-economic studies of fisheries. These efforts contribute to the development of sustainability roadmaps for the Mediterranean and Aegean seas. The research vessel one conducts scientific surveys both in Turkey's territorial waters and in international waters. The Institute leads the green transformation of the aquaculture sector through research on environmentally friendly production models, such as recirculating, aquaponic, and integrated multi-trophic systems. Aligned with our national strategy, the Institute develops innovative biotechnology projects that integrate microalgae and macroalgae production to support local industries with sustainable raw materials and additives. Comprehensive research are being conducted to enhance fish health and welfare, developing feed ingredients and additives, natural and supportive products, and advancing the diagnosis, control, and treatment of diseases threatening aquatic species in the fields of parasitology, virology, bacteriology, pharmacology, toxicology, histology, and pathology. Through breeding programs that utilize local genetic resources and preserve genetic diversity, the Institute develops fish strains with enhanced growth, disease resistance, and adaptability to changing environmental conditions, ensuring the sustainable future of aquaculture. The Institute carries out its activities in line with the One Health approach, which aims to sustainably balance and improve human, animal, and ecosystem health, pursuing the goal of a healthy environment, healthy fish, and safe food. Mediterranean Fisheries Research, Production and Training Institute, with its hatchery and juvenile rearing infrastructure, located across 2 campuses, has the capacity to produce both freshwater and marine fish, making it one of the leading institutions in Turkey. Our facilities currently produce carp, European and African catfish, sturgeon, sea bream, and sea bass. Since its establishment, the Institute has contributed significantly to the national economy, rural development, and the growth of the fisheries and aquaculture sectors through restocking programs and the supply of juvenile fish. As part of the Stocking of Turkey's Inland Waters project, around 6 million carp juveniles are produced annually to support fisheries by replenishing inland water resources, while natural populations are reinforced with juvenile sea bass, sea bream, and European catfish. Studies are ongoing to develop production and aquaculture methods for potential species such as eel, meager, shee-drum, sturgeon, sandsteinbras, grouper, and blue crab. By expanding ornamental fish farming practices, the Institute diversifies the aquaculture sector and fosters new opportunities for employment and economic growth. In addition, the Institute produces experimental fish species such as zebrafish and Nile tilapia, which are essential for research conducted by universities and other scientific institutions. Beyond commercially valuable species, the Institute also focuses on breeding endemic and endangered fish to protect natural populations and safeguard the country's genetic diversity. The Institute is not only a center for research and production, but also an educational base where knowledge and experience are shared. With its modern infrastructure for accommodation and conferences, the Institute serves as a venue for national and international training programs, technical courses for Central Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and D8 countries, and various academic events including workshops and symposiums. The findings obtained from the research conducted are shared on national and international platforms and transferred to the sector through publications and dissemination activities. Certification and training programs on animal experimentation are conducted under the supervision of the local Ethics Committee for Aquatic Animals. In addition to its research, production, and training activities, the Institute is also responsible for the protection of aquatic ecosystems. Baymalek Lagoon, covering an area of approximately 300 hectares, serves as a feeding and nursery ground for juvenile fish species distributed in the central Mediterranean and provides habitat for 56 fish and 20 bird species. The lagoon is managed, monitored, and protected by the Institute. With our advanced infrastructure and expert team, we prioritize the sustainability of ecosystems and the conservation of biodiversity, supporting the development of the fisheries and aquaculture sectors and contributing to the public's access to healthy aquatic products. Guided by science, we explore, we innovate, and we share knowledge.